Hello YouTubers, subscribers, and friends. Welcome to my channel, One Down, Four Up. Check out them mountains right there, man. They're beautiful. Look, you can rock climb right up there. I'm gonna go do some exploring today. Checking out what's around this area. I haven't been in this area in a while. There's a lot of popo out today. A lot. And I've never seen so much traffic on this road. Border Patrol. Let me go, let me go. But I like looking at these mountains, they're beautiful. I caught a snake here one time. I was coming around this curve and there was a snake crossing the road. Rat snake. He's about 5 feet long. Chased him with the stick right out in there. I've been out here riding on these roads. They've paved some brand new roads. And they're really, really smooth to ride on. Check them out, man. Look at that mountain. Twisties. Come on, baby, let's do the twist. You gotta be careful though, because there's a lot of gravel on these roads. I don't know what it is today, but everybody's in a rush today, and everybody's riding on my ass. So I'm gonna go exploring over here. I've never been over here, so I want to see what's over here. Spoke Lane. Hey, man, that guy was right on my ass. Ask me a question, why don't you? Beautiful scenery here. There's a road going up to the towers up there. This has got to be a flood area. Check out that view of that mountain right there. I know exactly, there's a road that goes up right by there. I was over there the other day. Safford. I've never been over here, so I don't know where I'm going. Just exploring. I want to try some different camera angles today. Oh, speed bump. Hello. That was a ninja speed bump. Where does that road go? Pothole. It's what you call exploring. Oh, you know what? Oh man, I barely missed that freaking pothole. I saw this road over here I want to go see. Oh my god, that was a ninja pothole. Look at that sucker, man. I mean, I just rode right on the edge of it. I didn't even see it. There goes somebody on a quad. I wonder if it's street legal. That looks like a girl. Let's go past her. Scare her. They're riding around over here. Oh, this is a subdivision. That's that expensive subdivision over there. Yeah, they're just riding around checking out stuff. I'm going to try some different camera angles here, so I got to set up all my camera angles. Well, stalled it out. Check out this view I got right here. Look at these mountains right here. Pretty cool, huh? You can go rock climb on this stuff. There's a lot of traffic in this road today. Very, very cool. So now I got the camera set up facing me. I'm gonna head back to the new road and go ride the new road. So let's go. That's where I just came from, those mountains over there. And I took these really, really sharp twisties right here. I mean, they're covered with gravel, so I couldn't take them very quick. This is what I'm viewing now. This is where I saw the motorcycle and the quad. They went that way. They must live over there. Check out these mountains, man. Look how beautiful these mountains are. I live over there. That mountain right there. Where's that mountain? I live on the other side of that mountain. A couple blocks. Check out this. I don't know, the sun's right in my face, so I don't know if it's showing up too good on the camera. Beautiful views out here in the country. That's why I like riding out in the country, not in Tucson, because deal with the idiot traffic people. But I'm gonna go exploring a little bit more before I head back home. Told my wife I'd be gone about an hour. I always want to get a quad, but there's not really too many places to ride without people messing with you. I mean, you got to go pretty far. You need a trailer and stuff like that for that kind of stuff. But I remember when they didn't used to have these gates here. You could go exploring. Take my car. I used to come this way and take my car shortcut through there. But let's go for a ride. Girl riding squid. Wonder where her buddy is. Go exploring. Such a beautiful day, man. That RPM thing just rattles so much now. It doesn't work. I tried to work on it earlier today and just, oh my goodness, this road is so bumpity. It just doesn't want to work, so I'm done with it. Big curve. My God, this is a sharp curve. Christopher Columbus Day, exploring. I don't know, I'm about 10 miles from my house, maybe. But it's such a nice day, maybe I'll stay out longer than an hour. Going back to the main road, to the new road. All the roads in Tucson are really, really bad, and what do? They come out here in the country and they fix the roads out in the country. Back to Aber Valley Road. Nailed it. I'm getting much better at not putting my feet down. Look at this brand new road again. Well, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Like always, leave a comment. I'll take the time to respond to your comments that you leave, or personal messages, or whatever. You know, hit that subscribe button. Don't cost anything. It's free. Click on those links. It only takes a second. You know, I'm not hurting anybody, but you're supporting my channel so I can continue to make more videos. And I appreciate everybody who watches my videos and subscribes, likes, comments, shares. I know everybody on YouTube says that, but I mean it. This is a really nice road now. It's an executive private airport over here. I think I'll go ride a little bit longer. Out that way is a town called Aber Valley. It's where I was going to buy my house the first time before I bought my house over here, but they didn't want to work a deal out with me, so I didn't buy it. I got a lot of air coming from somewhere inside my helmet. So like always, off into the wild blue yonder. I'm gone! Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Now I'm geek.